Hello guys. Welcome to semi-final
Hi.
two. So,
Hello.
so far it's been a thrilling competition and with a lot of unpredicted results. So, I hope this will also be as thrilling as the previous quarters and semis, the four semis.
No, it will be one-sided.
So,
Francis
anyway,
will win.
yeah, don't underplay crowd favorite Francis. So,
I'm playing a different quiz, by the way. Wrong answers only.
okay. Anyway, so question one.
Rajesh Raju, don't message me.
Question one, direct to Francis. Uh, I want to hold your hand, a day in the life, while my guitar gently weeps, come together. All of these are songs of which famous band? So this question is
Okay.
direct to Francis. Also, to all of you, please think of the most obvious guess, because most probably that will be the right answer.
Okay. Okay.
I want to hold your hand, a day in the
Then,
life, while my guitar gently weeps, come together. All of these are songs of which famous band?
okay, if you are saying it should be an obvious guess, then I'll go with Beatles.
Is that your final guess?
Yes.
It is
Yeah.
Beatles.
Yes. 10
10
points.
points
Now I'll
to
grab some popcorn and watch you guys play.
10 points to Francis. Next question direct to Prasad. Post the World War II, there has been a significant increase in the birth rate in many industrialist nations. This phenomenon is called particular term X, which is very famous, has led to urban migration, educational reforms, and influenced the culture of the nation for many decades to come. However, the tenets of people from X, so which is the result of this particular phenomenon, have often come to clash with the beliefs of the current society, leading to the usage of the term Y. So the Y is very popularly used nowadays. At least I came across this term very recently. The phrase is used to call out the beliefs of people from X in a derisive manner. Identify the phrase X and identify the phenomenon X and phrase Y. All of you know the answer, by the way.
Is it just a phenomenon in a country or
No,
just the
no, in many of
worldwide
the
phenomenon?
industrialist nations. Like
Okay.
the question says, industrialist nations.
I don't know. Like, is it the boomers and okay boomers thing?
Okay. Can you give me X and Y?
Yeah. Y is okay boomer phrase, like people use in a derogatory manner, and X is I don't know boomer phenomenon.
Hmm. I'll give you one last chance. Like, think of an answer. Take your time for
Okay.
X and
Millennial phenomenon.
no. Uh, Give me a minute to think.
Like I was just thinking, like they're millennials versus new generation.
Mm, okay, okay. I'm not responding. Passing it to Srikar. I'm not responding.
Array, that's my answer.
What is X? What is Y?
So I um see that's when you say that both are interrelated, it doesn't bring me anything. Like when you say millennials, like that's the only thing that came to my mind first. So um why I think is millennials and people from X. I have no clue. I'll
Okay,
just pass.
okay. Passing it to Sudiksha.
Yeah.
Baby boomers and millennials.
What is X? What is Y? Could you please repeat? Like,
X is baby.
X is a phenomenon. Y is a phrase.
Okay, X is baby boomers, and Y is millennials. I don't know if that's a phrase or.
Okay,
Okay, I'm just guessing Y. I'm sure X is baby boomers, Y is millennials.
okay. Uh, uh, Passing it to Francis.
The phrase is okay, boomer. Uh, and X is boomer, baby boomer.
Okay, okay. Uh, okay. Since I'm the quiz master, I would like to give 5 to Prasad, 5 to Sudiksha, and 5 to Francis. Because I want
What
three.
was
I
the-
want two
yeah.
answers. One is baby boom. So X is a phenomenon which is called baby boom, and Y is okay boomer,
Okay.
which is derived from baby boom. And since
Okay.
Francis gave both the answers, ideally, technically, she should get 10 points, but I would like to give only 5 to Francis. So this is the answer. Next question, direct to Prasad.
Mhm.
X is a drawing by Italian polymath Y, which is completed in 1492. The drawing is based on the ideal proportions of man's body and how this relates to geometry. This relationship was described by the ancient Roman architect X, which is why Y's drawing is traditionally named in the honor of this architect. From this theoretical framework, the artist Y has managed to create 16 hypotheses. So I want two things. One is X and Y. So X is a drawing name and Y is a drawing by certain.
I mean, why is
What is why?
why
What did
is
you say?
Sorry, I want two things. One, X is a drawing and Y is the artist.
Okay.
I mean, why is obviously Da Vinci. I mean, I know the painting, like it's a human, like an X shape, and there's a circle.
I want the name which is derived from a certain Roman architect.
Roman architect. I mean, ideal proportions and all. Like the only one name comes to my mind. Is it Fibonacci?
Can you give me a final answer?
Fibonacci and Leonardo da Vinci.
No, it is not Fibonacci and Leonardo da Vinci. Passing it to Srikar.
It's Virtues and Man and Leonardo da Vinci, right?
That is right.
Yeah.
Leonardo da Vinci. 10 points to Srikar.
Oh, nice.
Oh,
Next question, direct to Sudiksha. Technical University of Munich created an algorithm while the show X was underway to predict Y. So basically, they created an algorithm while the show was running X to predict certain thing Y. Data analyzed of characters included age, sex, location, genealogy, etc. The term analyzed this data using two separate models. The first used a straightforward statistical approach known as Bayesian interference, and the second relied on fancier techniques involved machine learning and neural networks. So identify X and Y.
I don't know.
Take any guess. Probably the most obvious guess. Take the most obvious guess that you.
Because it is in Munich, it should be something predominantly. I don't know. I can't really guess.
Can I pass it to Francis?
Yes. Yes.
Passing it to Francis.
Is the show Game of Thrones? And my answer why would be like who would end up sitting on the throne in the end?
That's not right. Passing it to Prasad.
I actually thought the same.
That's a good answer.
No.
Fran's answer is a great answer.
Now I'm completely thrown off. Okay, I mean there is one more thing.
Yeah.
I think it is
remembered
Game
that.
of Thrones, and the heritage of Jon Snow. Parental heritage of Jon Snow.
Passing it to Sri.
it's
Okay,
it's Game of Thrones and chances of the I mean, which character is going to die next, right?
Yeah, that is correct.
I thought that's what it
Basically,
was.
it's just to predict the deaths of the characters. Who will live, end up living, and who will die.
Who is going to live and who's going to die? Yeah.
Damn.
For that predictability. So, passing next question direct to Sudiksha. X is the first person to be inducted to the WWF Hall of Fame in the inaugural session of 1993. Basically, he was inducted posthumously, which means after he was dead. By 1993, he was dead. X was a French professional wrestler and an actor. He was a one-time WWF World Heavyweight Champion and one-time WWF World Tag Team Champion. X stood over 7 feet tall, weighing more than 200 kgs, which was a result of gigantism caused by excessive growth hormone. So this also led to X being called the eighth wonder of the world. So who is this person? First person to be inducted into WWF Hall of Fame.
I don't follow WWF, and he died before I was born.
Okay.
I don't know him.
Okay, passing it to Francis.
Andre the Giant.
It is Andre the Giant. 10 points to Francis.
Thank you, Sudiksha.
Okay, next question direct to Prasad. The Indian Constitution contains elaborate provisions to enable the President to emergencies. Under Article 352 of the Indian Constitution, the President of India can declare national emergency on grounds of war or external aggression or armed rebellion. Declaration of a natural emergency leads to automatic suspension of the fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression. Now, like many other provisions in the Indian Constitution, the provision of suspension of fundamental rights during the emergency was also borrowed from some other constitution. Which constitution was this provision borrowed from? So,
I mean, India borrowed a lot of things
yeah,
from
a
Britain.
lot of things from different things. This particular suspension of fundamental rights is something that they borrowed from one constitution. Think of the most obvious answer, or why would I think this?
Yeah, I'm thinking two countries, but is it Germany?
It is Germany. Basically, it was Weimar Republic. Basically, this was the government that was there before the Nazi government took over. 10 points to Prasad. Next question, direct to Srikar. X was constructed by tens of thousands of Jewish slaves and was built as an attempt to revitalize the glory of city Y. It was first built by Emperor Vespasian after the civil wars in the year of 4 emperors. When built, X was used for animal hunts, contests, a reenactment of famous battles, and mock sea battles. It was briefly used as a church in the medieval times, and also the Medal of Summer Olympic Games from 1928 to 2000 featured a depiction of X. Identify X.
So I know it's Rome because Vespasian Olympic Games. Is it the Colosseum?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, Colosseum and Rome.
That is Colosseum. 10 points to Srikar. Next question, question 8, direct to Sudiksha. Yeah. X was an American biologist, humanitarian, and Nobel laureate, popularly known as the man who saved 1 billion lives. He is one of the 7 people to have won Nobel Peace Prize, the Presidential Medal of Freedom, and the Congressional Gold Medal, and was also awarded the Padma Vibhushan, India's second highest civilian honor. What is his contribution to mankind?
Okay, so you don't want X, you want
I don't
what
want
X
X.
is contribution.
I want his contribution to mankind. I have hidden X for some obvious reasons because we popularly know him.
American, but then he has won Padma Vibhushan also.
Yeah.
This is somebody who has discovered medicine for malaria or something.
Sorry.
No.
Did you say something?
It should be somebody who has discovered something for diseases or something for plants or something. Biologist, or
Take your time, no hurry.
Okay. So I'm only confused. He must have done something with farming techniques, or it was an American who discovered the malaria's medicine in India. That I'm sure should be one of the two. But then malaria thing doesn't go with the Why would he win Nobel Peace Prize after that? I would go for something related to farming techniques.
Can you give a more specific answer?
My specific answer. His discoveries have helped to improve the farming techniques in India, not just in India, across the world.
Can you be more specific?
Not ha- huh?
Can you be more specific? Like, can you be more specific towards the contribution? Take your time and give me one final answer.
Maybe he's made hybrid seeds which could help plants sustain from diseases or calamities, natural calamities. That is his contribution to mankind. He helped with the crops. Still not happy?
Okay. Wait, okay, I'll get back to you. Like, passing it. Is that your final answer?
Yes.
Okay, passing it to Francis.
I had a completely different answer now because of the doubt in Surat's mind. Now I want to go in those lines or not. I'm thinking, but I've read this thing somewhere, like a guy who saved 1 billion lives somewhere. Like I can't. Okay, I'll take a vague guess. Is it like discovery of penicillin?
It is not discovery of penicillin. Passing it to Prasad.
वही तो मलेरिया था.
Is it fertilizers?
Can you give a more specific answer? Like, a man who said this has a particular. Okay, be more specific towards your answer.
Okay, I know it
I
was
guess it's something
fertilizer.
related to plants.
Yeah.
Something related to farming, agriculture, that way, I guess, because
Couldn't have
whenever
gone
he
in
got
different
plants,
line.
he goes to a specific answer.
I feel like the.
Is it urea fertilizer that ammonia to increase ammonia in
Is that
in
your final
the
answer?
yeah?
No. To pass. It's very tough for me to pass, but I am passing to Srikar.
What?
Yeah. We are stressing so much on getting specific. She said plants, he said fertilizer.
No, because whatever you both mentioned could happen in a lot of. Okay, anyway, sorry, I won't speak. That's why it's emphasizing on specific. So give me a term for it.
Do you want to know the deed or do you want to know
I want
what
to know
or
the
how
deed,
he
his
did
contribution to mankind.
he so if it is like farming and everything, then he probably saved a lot of people from hunger and stuff like that. Yeah,
Okay.
I
So
don't
is that
see
your
any
final
other
answer?
answer that. Yeah, he saved people from starving. From
Okay.
maybe there was a famine or something. I don't know.
Okay. Now I'll make a 5-pointer. Going back to Sudiksha. It's one of the major movements. Like, think along the movements like a name. Like, for example, the First War of Independence or Civil Disobedience Movement.
Oh,
So it's Green Revolution or
It's
what?
Green Revolution. Thank you. You answered it. I was
shit.
struggling that.
Oh,
It is right. Whatever you described is right, but it
Ah,
could lead to other events also. Like the use of fertilizers could be linked to other events also. But I was looking for Green Revolution as the answer. That's why I gave you multiple chances. And I
nice,
did
nice.
not give the name because Norman Borlaug would give away the answer. So anyway, 5 points to Sudiksha. Next question, direct to Francis. X got this tattoo while in high school after he was featured on the cover of Sports Illustrated, where he was introduced as the chosen one on its cover. He was one of the few players who was directly drafted out of high school for Y. X also signed an unprecedented $90 million endorsement contract with the Nike before he even played a professional game. So, which person got this tattoo?
1 second, wait. Let me. Okay, the tattoo is written as chosen, right?
Chosen one.
You can't tell me the spot, right? Like which spot?
No. That could be a major clue. I'll probably give it as a clue. I'll reveal why as a clue
Okay.
if no one answers it. But Srikar looks hungry for points. He's
Yeah.
smiling
Yeah,
so
Srikar will answer it. Look at his face. Srikar, what's your favorite sport?
I won't say.
Is it Mike Tyson?
It is not Mike Tyson. Passing it to Prasad.
I was hoping Francis would answer this and I'll get a
No,
new one.
dude. It looks like some boxer or some wrestler. Is what I don't know.
While in high school, after his feature in the college.
Damn it.
This is
Not
question
answering sports question is the worst thing that I can think of.
I suck at sports questions, and this is
Oh, Srikar, you.
yeah. I actually am very bad at it.
But you know this one.
So yeah, this one I know.
Damn it, dude.
I mean, I thought of an obvious one, but Francis would have said that.
Let's see if no one answers it in the first round.
Go for the obvious one. Go for the obvious one. I didn't go for the obvious one. That was a mistake. But
I think you would have known this if that indeed was the answer.
I had one answer, but I told you right. The skin tone doesn't match so well.
Sports. I don't know. Is it Ronaldo in football?
It is not Ronaldo.
Hey,
Passing it to Srikar.
Ronaldo బాడీ అలా ఎలా ఉంటదిరా
అదే నాకు తెలియదు అది.
నాకు వచ్చింది ఆ క్వశ్చన్.
Yeah, you-
It's LeBron. It's LeBron
It's
James.
LeBron James. See, అరే
Yeah.
Oh.
it is
Dude,
LeBron
What
James.
are you?
dude,
You didn't see the ad? There was a
No, I
spiky
know. I
ad.
see.
That,
The thing is, like, I thought
Yeah.
LeBron is more darker, like in complexion. That's the reason I didn't want.
No,
I found this guy to be like a little more brownish. Damn, man. This is
I
so
was
sad.
shocked actually.
Yes, I
Yeah,
think
dude.
31 tattoos or something. This was his most famous apparently. Like when he was
Yeah.
But
first
I
big.
don't remember, like, you know. this
Anyway,
type of thing.
question 10. After this, the order reverses.
I knew this answer.
Oh,
Gee, Francis.
Actually, like, this is so bad on me. Like, fuck.
I don't even follow NBA. I still know it.
Mood
the big
kharab.
three is a common tennis term referring to Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal, and Novak Djokovic. From 2003 Wimbledon Championships up to and including 2021 French Open, the trio have dominated men's singles. Like they have won 59 out of 71 Grand Slam titles. History was made when during 2007 Madrid Masters, one player defeated all three in the same tournament. So to win his first Masters title. Who is the player? Basically, he has defeated all of them in the same tournament.
Which year? 2007.
2007. This player has retired in 2013.
Oh.
Is retired in?
2013.
Rohit, stop giving me death threats, dude. Let me concentrate. Like, fucking, my brain is already blocked.
What if I give you the first name and not the last name? Suraj,
Okay.
does the first name work?
Oh, tennis question is Sudiksha.
He's very famous by the last
Yeah.
name, but okay. Wait. Just let me think. Okay, fine.
David.
Yeah.
Can you try taking a pass at the second name?
Oh, God.
Can you try
It
taking a
starts with N, I know, but then I don't remember properly and I don't want to embarrass
Okay, fine. I'll
David.
give it for the first name. It is David Nalbandia.
Arey, why did you give it for the first name? Like, what the hell?
Why?
No,
Why for the
usually-
first name?
His name is Nalbandian.
Don't
Yeah.
answer.
No, I've thought of famous
Waiting for
tennis
it.
players with the first name. There is no one that's.
You could have. Why not? Like, there is no other David player over it.
Okay. Anyway. I usually
No famous-
I am okay with the first name. That's what I say in every quiz. I just wanted to avoid that.
Okay.
Anyway, 10 questions.
No, Frank. Why not do this to me?
Next question, direct to Srikar.
నాల్బాండ్ ఎలా గుర్తులేదు అసలు?
And let me come up a little bit. I was passing you all easy questions.
Yeah, but you should pass this one as well because you
Next
get
question,
difficult
direct to
questions which
Srikar.
can answer.
Okay,
Uh,
let's go.
Okay, now it's the order is reversed, right?
the order is reversed now. This question goes to Srikar.
Now I'll give Sudiksha like most of the questions.
Why not?
Jonah-
Shouldn't it be?
No, it shouldn't be you. It should. The order reverses.
Okay.
Jonathan Nolan has said that Liam Neeson's character in Batman Begins, Ra's al Ghul, is modeled after this person X. He also said that Ra's al Ghul was the most complex of all the Batman villains. Nolan's verbatim goes like this: he's not crazy in the way that all other Batman villains are. He's not bent on revenge. He's actually trying to heal the world. He's just doing it by very draconian means. So, I want this person X, on which the character Ra's al Ghul is
I
based.
know his name. What's his name? What is his name? If I don't answer this question, there's a friend of mine who will kill me.
Oh, I'm already getting death threats, dude, for not answering LeBron. Okay. Man, I'm just like
Made of the yeah, Laden, Osama bin Laden.
It is Osama
Terrorist.
bin Laden.
Yeah, fuck.
That
that is the only answer, dude. Like you took so much time. I don't know why.
Yeah.
No, like I'm trying to remember the phrase like my friend was saying. That's the only thing
No,
that's ringing in my head.
Osama was the only answer for this question. Is what I thought.
Ah, yeah.
Next question, direct to Prasad. So
I'm blank.
the green laser
See.
of the image, which I'll show in the next slide, is located at the Royal Observatory, London. It is said to be visible from over 36 miles to the naked eye and over 60 miles using a binoculars. The laser is the work of artists Peter Fink and Annie Bean and has been unveiled on 1st of May 1993. The laser was briefly switched off for 3 months in August 2014 when a newly established building, Stratford Plaza, was blocking the way. It was then resumed with 0.4% tilt to go over the building basically. The alignment of laser is adjusted regularly from time to time. The laser is said to have a wavelength of 532 nanometers and an output of greater than 5 watts. I'll show you the image and I'll give you the direction on which side to basically look at. So what you see is the image of the laser. It's a very strong laser.
Can you go back to the question?
Can you go?
Yeah. It's in London. Think of the place and think of
I have an answer, but I'm really not sure if that. Okay. Does it represent Prime Meridian?
that is correct. It's primary. 10 points to it's in Greenwich. 10 points to Prasad. Yeah. Now the next question, direct to Francis. Yeah.
Come on, Francis, sir.
Even though X makes a cameo in most of his movies, he's scared of his own work and hasn't watched any of his movies. He usually doesn't know about. In an interview, he said, "I'm frightened of my own movies. I never go to see them. I don't know how people can bear to watch my movies." In the early 1960s, Walt Disney refused to allow X to film at Disneyland because X made that disgusting movie Why. So, X was awarded the BAFTA Fellowship in 1971, the American Film Institute's Lifetime Achievement Award in 1979, and was knighted in December that year, 4 months before he died. So, I want two things. I want the person's name and that disgusting movie Why.
The movie was made when in 1960. Hello, Suraj.
Yeah, sorry. I can't give you the timeline. In the early 1960s, Walt Disney refused to allow X to early 1960s.
Oh shit.
I don't know. X is Charlie Chaplin, right?
It is not Charlie Chaplin.
I don't know what the Y movie is anyway.
Okay, passing it to Sudeep.
Pass.
Can you pass it to me?
It goes to me, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. Yeah.
Yeah. Mine is
Alfred
wrong.
Hitchcock is X and Psycho is the movie.
That is correct.
Answer.
10 points to Sudesh.
It wasn't the actor, no.
It wasn't the actor. He's the director.
Yeah, it's not the actor. That's why I'm telling you. Read again. Shit.
Anyway, question 14, direct to Srikar.
Yeah.
Play this
So-
anymore, dude. Like, this is so annoying.
Arey, what is this question?
During the early years of Byzantine Empire, Emperor Constantine abandoned the new city of Rome and moved to the present-day location X, calling it New Rome or Nova Roma. The city soon came to be known as Constantinople after the ruler. In 1923, it was changed to its current name X, deriving from the Greek phrase "to the city." So I want the new city name.
I'll tell. Wait, dude. This is in Turkey. Istanbul.
Is that your final answer?
Yeah, it's my final answer.
It is Istanbul.
Yeah.
10 points to Srikar. Is
Zikar
anyway.
will reach 100 or what?
No.
No. Question 15 direct to Prasad.
Yeah.
So connect is 4 people: Sidney Poitier, Denzel Washington, Jamie Foxx, and Forrest Whitaker. It's an exhaustive list.
I mean, like, okay, only black actors to win Oscars.
Can you be more specific?
I mean, who won the best actor in Academy?
That is correct.
Correct.
Only 4 black people to win Academy Award in the leading role. 10 points to Prasad.
Nice.
Question 16. Last 5 questions, guys. So, question 16 direct to Francis. The Shaukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center is located in Lahore, is Pakistan's largest radiation oncology center. Its establishment in the mid-1990s attracted the worldwide attention largely due to the popular founder of the hospital, who was inspired to set up the place following the death of his mother to cancer. Identify the founder and his source of funding.
Is the founder Musharraf and source of funding is from ISIS?
No, that's not right. Passing it to Sadiksha.
That was so bad, I know. I want to give some crazy fucking answer.
I mean, why? Okay, you thought that kind of popular. Okay.
Arey, he
I'm
said that it was done in memory of his mother, no?
Sadiksha, you have an answer?
It's my turn.
Yeah.
I'm guessing Imran Khan, and then 90s, his
dude,
brother Imran Khan,
Source of
and
funding.
I'm guessing his brother in 90s who was a doctor in London was dating Diana. So should either be from the English royal funding or
God damn it! Like I was in the horrible lines of it.
Okay. So do you have
so
final
yeah,
answer?
Imran Khan. I think rather than that, cricket. Imran Khan and his earnings from cricket.
Can you be more specific?
Again.
Imran Khan, and the source would be the tickets, cup money. If there was some match held in Pakistan, maybe the money from the tickets that he sold in the match. Should
Is
that
that
be
your-
it?
Is that your final answer?
Yes, Suraj. It's my final answer.
Okay, passing it to Srikar.
You can't blame me now, okay, for having little more points. Yeah, it's no, it is after all the guesses coming to me. If I make the right guess, I can't do anything. It's Imran Khan, and it's the Charities Act, right? Okay, does the source of funding count like whatever I said, or should I be a little bit more specific?
No, just tell me an answer and say that's your final answer.
it's Imran Khan, and most of his source of funding was donations, and I think it was from a charitable act or some organization. So
That's not right. Passing it
So
to
that may-
Prasad.
what?
Is
No,
it Imran Khan and all the charity donations from Bollywood?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That's not right. Passing it to Francis.
Oh,
Is that your? Is that whose direct is this? Francis direct.
It's my direct. My direct.
Okay, now I'll make it a 5-pointer.
Okay.
Think of the 1990s timeline. There was a major event that happened for Pakistan.
Okay. So Imran Khan is anyway the answer, and the source of fund is like them winning the 1991 World Cup.
That is correct.
Yeah.
How many
Anyway.
points I'll get for this one, Suraj?
5 points.
2.5. Right?
5.
5 points.
Just-
Okay.
Don't I get any points?
you wouldn't, because
No.
that one question was an exception that I gave. Also, I want to apologize for probably giving David Nalbandi an answer for the first name. Probably I should have passed.
That's okay.
That's fine anyway. Question 17.
Yeah.
Direct to Sudiksha. Identify this popular actor from the list of. This is not an exhaustive list. Right?
Okay.
Whose direct is this one?
Sudiksha.
So what should I identify?
Okay.
The
Actor or
person's
the director?
actor.
Dude, like, two guys are. See, look at that freaker's face.
No, sorry, actor. Iruvar Anandan.
It's not an
Freaker,
exhaustive
you need-
list.
You need
This is not an exhaustive list. Okay, I know Iruvar.
you need to respect something of mine, and you need to pass this. Okay.
See, after Alfred, it's
Mohanlal.
Yeah.
Mohanlal.
yeah,
Correct answer.
epic.
I've removed all his Malayalam movies.
All his Malayalam movies is removed.
Aiyo.
And also the Janta
Iruvar is there.
Garage.
No, that was
Yeah,
Iruvar is a big
removed.
giveaway. Like,
Yeah.
Iruvar you should have removed. Like,
Yeah.
Anyway, passing it to the next
Give
question
me
direct to
some-
Srikar. Last three questions. I'll just say the scores. Srikar is at 60, Sudiksha is at 40, Prasad is at 35, and Francis is at 30. So question 18, direct to Srikar. X was invented in 1902 in the honor of the then US President Theodore Roosevelt. An article was written about the president who refused to shoot an animal when he was on a hunting trip with a governor. Clifford
Should I
Berryman.
wait for you to read the question? Like,
Yeah, let me. Clifford Berryman. Okay, just answer.
Freaker's showing his swag.
it's Teddy Bear, Teddy Roosevelt. That was the thing, right?
Okay. Would you like to go through the question or?
Yeah. Just
Okay,
go through for
fine.
this.
Let's go. Fine, let's go. I don't want to.
That is correct.
Anything.
10 points to Srikar.
Yeah. Yeah,
It is Teddy Bear.
it should be correct. Yeah.
It is Teddy Bear. So question 19.
See, it's popular.
Srikar giving
thing,
no one no
yeah.
chance.
It's popular.
Okay.
Teddy Roosevelt is.
Next question direct to Prasad. X first aired in Spanish language in 2000 and inspired multiple spin-off series. The creators made the protagonist a Latinx. Latinx is basically a unisex word for Latin or Latino. After attending a conference that discussed the lack of Latinx representation in the media. The protagonist is one of the most recognizable Latin characters in television. The show was named after the protagonist X Marquez. So we popularly know this by the first name and has a total of 19 Emmy nominations. X was the first Latinx inflatable in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in 2005. So Macy's is a popular store, clothing store. The basic premise of the show follows the adventures of the protagonist along with their sidekick. At the end of each episode, they sing the song "We Did It." Identify the series.
Is it a cartoon?
I can't tell you that.
Is it Dora the Explorer?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
That is Dora the Explorer.
Epic.
Epic. This is epic.
Yeah.
Question 20, direct to Francis. Born in Stockholm, X was a businessman, chemist, engineer, inventor, a philanthropist, and founder of Certain Thing Y. He has held 355 different patents in his name. X's father ran a mechanical workshop who made the Russian Tsar, believe that sea mines could be used to destroy the enemy ships. Basically, the idea that stopped the British Royal Navy during the Crimean War during 1853 and 1856. So in 1863, X primarily involved in developing nitroglycerin as an explosive, inventing a more popular explosive Z. So I won the person's name. There was a bet on Francis.
Yeah,
whether he
yeah.
would
I
score
reached 30.
greater
Rajesh is
than
getting
30
the
or
Rajesh is
less
getting
than
the pizza on my name. That is where,
30, 30 is for Raju. You should score greater than
okay,
30.
that I have to score 30. Okay, Raju
Greater
is
than
getting the
30.
pizza out now. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it Wayne?
Is that your final answer?
Yeah.
It is not Wayne. Passing it to Sudiksha.
Okay, so Y is the Nobel Peace Prize, Z is the atom bomb that thrown in
Oh.
Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and X. Give me some time.
Yeah.
Seriously?
But if I tell you the first name, you won't give me points for the last.
Now
Now
I won't
telling
give.
the
Now I
last
won't.
name.
Now no chance. We have learned from our mistakes.
Ayyo, ayyo.
Okay, I know this, but then yeah, pass.
Ayyo.
You want me to pass?
Yeah, will you give it to me if I give you the partial answer?
I just want X anyway. Passing it to Srikar.
It's Alfred Nobel.
It is Alfred.
Mm.
And that is
So
not
France-
atom bomb. That is dynamite.
Noble, I didn't know what came in
Yeah.
front.
How can you answer Nobel Prize and not Alfred Nobel?
Yeah, exactly. That's been eating my head up.
I didn't know. I knew it started with A. I didn't know if it was Alfred Nobel or
Yeah.
what it was.
Anyway, the
I
final
found
scores
it
are like
funny.
this.
Yeah.
Srikar is leading with 80, a massive.
Shit, that's the surprise. Fuck. How did it happen?
Yeah.
Srikar has 80. Second is Prasad with 45 points. Third is
Nice.
Sudiksha
That
with
was
40. And fourth, we have Francis with 30 points.
That
And
was expected.
yep, this has been thrilling semi-final for the second place. So thank you so much, guys,
Okay.
for participating. It
Guys,
has been
guys, okay,
Thank you,
guys,
it was a really
please
fun
subscribe to
question.
this channel. Like Suraj
Amazing.
is putting into so much efforts. Please, guys. Like calling 32 people, like he's doing a lot of things. Like, please,
lot of
he's
work.
worked a lot for this.
Okay.
Sleepless nights, maximum dry runs. Please subscribe. Like, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And thank you so much for
Hello.
participating. And let's connect offline and see
Thank
you in the semi-finals 3.